I just look like this right now. Yeah. It's just been one of those days.
Right.
Yeah.
And so, well, we were also talking. Glenda is going to be range from Wednesday to Sunday.
Okay.
And so she was bringing up the possibility of doing meeting Monday and Tuesday, or doing both lessons on Tuesday.
It would probably be easier for me to do them both on Tuesday because on Monday I'm gonna have the first FHE with my.
Oh yes.
So sorry.
So I'm up for that. What about you, Abraham?
Okay, so we're going to do both lessons
on Tuesday.
Those would be four.
It would be lesson 4 and 5.
Okay.
That's gonna be a lot of work to do.
It's gonna be a lot of boring reading. I'm just putting that out there because I don't know if you were like us, Jocelyn. It was struggling to read this.
Yeah, I just kind of skimmed through it, to be honest.
Right.
I read the important parts, but the rest of it, I just kind of skimmed through it.
That's what I did. All right. So are we game to start the quiz here?
Yes. Let's do it.
All right.
Okay, server quest.
Okay. So in the first couple questions, it's just asking mean, median, and standard deviation.
Okay.
What did you guys get for number 3?
All right. Yeah, I'm waiting to. I was prepared. Yes. The 2 gimme questions at the beginning of the test. All right. All right, so we have to go to that website.
It's just an Excel sheet, actually.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to go to that website. So has anybody done that yet, or? Uh-oh, where's Abraham?
Oh.
Uh-oh, where's Abraham?
I'm not sure. I mean, it's still recording.
Okay. But yeah, what happened to Abraham? There he is.
There we go.
All right.
Alrighty.
Happen.
Are you back, Abraham?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
I was wondering what.
All right, so we're going to that website, the wrong site, wrong patient website. Or downloaded the Excel sheet. Okay. So what is the first thing that we got to do here?
So the first one, we have to find the mean.
Okay.
Of the wrong site lawsuits. When right now that I just did it in Excel, it came out 80,041.24.
Okay, so explain how you did it then.
So in Excel, there's just there's just little shortcuts to do it.
Uh-huh.
Basically, I just put in Google's average, and then since the numbers start out on A2, I did it from A2 all the way to A 412 is where the number.
Okay, yeah.
They do want us to round our answer to the nearest whole dollar.
Uh-huh.
So since the cents is only 24, it'll just be 80,041.
So 80,040, yeah. Yeah, I just finished the spreadsheet class as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 80,041. Does everybody agree with that one?
Yes.
Yep, I agree with it too.
Mm-hmm.
For the next one, I just did another shortcut. It's just equals median A2 through A412. And I got 68,552.
All right. That's what I got as well.
68.552.
68,552. Because they want you to round it to the nearest dollar.
That's what I got.
Yeah.
Godfrey's something.
All right, so question 5. Standard deviation. And that's basically we're just using the basic formulas.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, why is it not letting me type in there?
I lost myself. Information, Excel.
Yeah, also my Excel quit working here. Just have to reload it.
Abraham's gone again.
Uh-oh.
There we go. Abraham, you there? Abraham? Okay, good.
I don't know what's going on.
Maybe it's the internet connection.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think that.
So for standard deviation, when I did the little shortcut, it came out to 71,403.85, or sorry, 83.
You rounded to 4.
So then how did I get the, because I got
have to round
over
the answer.
100,000.
Yeah, so you would just round to the nearest whole dollar, and so it'd be 71,404.
Oh, I did the wrong one. I did under wrong patient. That's what I did wrong. Yeah, that'll make a big difference. What did you get, Jocelyn?
So I got 71,404 because we're just rounding to the nearest whole dollar.
All right. Did you do the standard deviation.s?
I just typed it in. I put equals STDV or DEV, and then the parentheses, and then
okay. So you did it without the .s.
Yeah.
All right.
Sometimes it'll automatically put that in, and sometimes it'll give you a different number.
Yeah, because that gave me 59,569.
Yeah. So sometimes you just have to type it in. It's a little strange sometimes,
Mm-hmm.
but
Yeah, because I use the standard deviation code in there equals standard STDEV to, oh, there it is. I didn't go down far enough. 412. There it is, 71403. So 71404.
mhm.
All right.
Abraham, are you getting these answers as well?
I lost. We were, I think, at question 5.
Yeah, we just did question 5, and that answer was 71404. Do you know how to do that on the spreadsheet?
But we information about the money, I think.
Did you
That is the
did
thing.
you get how we
I don't know
figured out those answers though?
No.
So in Excel, there's little shortcuts to finding out the answers. And for the mean, it is equals average, and then it would just be A2 through A412, because that's where all the numbers are. And that's how we figured out the mean. For the median,
I'm doing it right now. Okay, yeah.
for the median, it's just equals median, and then again that A2 through A412.
So it's average, which cells?
It's A2, and then it's through A412.
Are you still with us, Glinda?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm still alive.
Here, I'm gonna share my screen so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. So it's this one over here. So over here it is equals average A2 through A412, and that's how we figured out the mean. And then for the median, it's equals median A2 through A412, and that gave us this answer. And then for the standard deviation, it's equals STDEV, A2 through A412, and then it gave us that answer. Does that make sense? Okay.
Me now.
For sharing your screen.
No problem. Here, I'll come back. There we go. Okay. Were you able to get those answers on your Excel?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
Maybe you want to on the next question. The median. to a. So the average is 8.
So the average is 80,041.
41.24.
Yeah, but they want us to round to the nearest whole dollar. So it's just going to be 80,041.
Okay. That is the mean, right?
That's the mean, yeah.
So same for median, right?
For median, it'll be equals median A2 through A412. And for that one, we got 68,552.
Okay, median. Wait. Sorry, I'm really sorry.
No, you're okay.
Yeah,
It's
don't be
okay.
sorry. We're here to help.
Abraham, are you here in Rexburg?
I'm in Mexico.
Oh,
Me
okay.
too. Me too.
Michael, where are you at?
I'm in Arizona.
Okay, that's right. I remember you talking about that
Yeah,
last night.
I'm in Arizona, southern Arizona,
Nice.
the state that does not fool with the clocks.
You guys don't do
Daylight savings time?
daylight saving
Nope.
time.
We leave the clocks alone.
Yeah.
And right now, you're probably jealous of my temperatures.
Yes. Very much.
Probably jealous. Of course, everybody's scared this weekend we're going to be in the high 50s instead of the high 70s.
Oh.
Wow.
All right, are we ready to move on to the next one?
Yes, I found
Yep.
the median is 68,500.
52.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. And so you're doing number 5 now, Abraham?
It's number 5. Yes.
All right.
Do you know how to do that one in Excel? So it'll be equals ST DEV. And then you're going to put, again, the parentheses A2 through A412.
Now, are you putting a dollar sign in there? Is it going to give us an error if we don't put a dollar sign?
I don't think so. Let's see.
Well, we have 2 opportunities to do the test. So if it kicks it for that, we'll know it needs to have a dollar sign.
Yeah, I think it usually gives an error when we put dollar signs. I could be wrong, but that's usually how it's been for us.
All right.
because they don't like decimals or dollar signs or anything like that. That's why they usually have us round to the whole number.
Got it. That makes sense. Okay. So have you got question
So-
5 yet, Abraham?
Excel.
All right.
I need to put 4.
Then you're going to put ST DEV.
DEV.
D
Point
as in David, E as in Edward, V as in Victor. And then put your parentheses.
Because there are 2.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Bless. He'll be back. Hopefully. Okay. So while he's coming back, number 6, I got 7 on that.
I got 7 as well.
All right.
Well, let me see.
And number 7, I got 4.
That's what I got too.
All right. Are you? Is that what you got, Glenda?
I'm still working on it. Like, these are bears. I am unfortunate for patient. I got 7 and 4 in number 7. And number 8, I got 12.
All right. Make sure Abraham's catching up with us here.
Okay. Green. This is both STDEV.
Yeah, just do the STDEV. You don't need the P or the S. On the second from the bottom.
This one.
On the second from the bottom there, where it says STDEV. There you go.
And then you're just going to put A2 through A412. Oh no. He is just having some complications tonight.
Okay, so number 8.
Yes.
So we can work on that while he's.
Okay. So
How would we compute that? I remember reading it, but it didn't stick in my head.
I don't remember either. Shoot.
Oh, Jocelyn.
I know.
You can do it.
I'm
Question
opening the book right now. There's Abraham. I'll go ahead and open the book, and you help Abraham.
Okay.
And what question are you on, guys?
Were you able to get question number 5?
No, I'm sharing my screen. And is the same that we have been using.
Correct. It's just going to be
A2.
STDEV. And then you'll just put the same information, A2 through A412 in the parentheses.
This is the result. It's 71,403.
Yes, and then there's supposed to be some numbers past the decimal. So because the first number is higher than the 5, it's automatically going to round up to 71,404 is what we put as our answer.
Okay, yeah.
Does that make sense? Okay.
Thank
No
you.
problem.
All right. So we're working on the variance.
So,
This part wasn't making much sense to me when I was reading it because I was so tired.
Tell me about it.
With the
That was about the diving elephant seals, right?
yes,
Uh,
the elephant seals.
Abraham, were you able to find the answers for 6 and 7?
Okay, so for 6, we just need to find the mean by
So you're going to add up the numbers of months,
in the middle.
and it ends up being 28. And then since there's 4 different numbers, you'll do 28 divided by 4, and that will give you your answer, and it's 7.
Okay, yes.
And then for number 7, it's asking for the median. But since there's an even number, you just do the 2 in the middle, which is 5 and 3, and then divide that by 2, and that gives you the answer of 4.
4.
4, okay. Yes.
Okay, so we're all on number 8 now.
Yeah. Okay, so we gotta find, which would be the deviations from the mean for 19. Oh, that makes sense here. So the mean is,
Number that would be entered in.
all right, so the deviation from the mean. So the mean on this, let me go back to here. So the mean is 7. So the deviation from the mean on this, I want to say 12. Yeah, it's going to be 12 because the deviation is the value minus the mean. So the mean is 7, 19 is where it's at, so it's going to be 12.
Okay.
It makes sense to me.
Yeah.
Because that's what it's showing in the book as well. It gives it there the deviation equals the value minus the mean, and it's in section under step 3 of 5.1.1. It gives it right there, and so that's the deviation from the mean on that one would be 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Spit label B. Squared deviations of that. So looking at the book again.
Wouldn't it, well, in the case of number 19 as the value, and then if the deviation is 12, then wouldn't the squared deviation be 144?
Well, no, because the squared deviations, well, you're dealing with a different number. See how you're on the line for B on there is for 1?
Right, but just as an example, wouldn't that be right?
Yeah, that would be right. So this would be actually 36 then, wouldn't it? All right.
Negative and negative always is positive.
Right.
So yeah, 36 for B. Does everyone agree with that?
I'm kind of lost with that one. Can you explain me, please?
Yeah.
So,
go ahead.
Sorry. So it's just 1 minus 7, and that gives you negative 6 as the deviation for the mean. And so when you square that, a negative and a negative will always equal
Because
positive,
mhm.
and so
Yeah.
it'll be 36.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay.
Thanks.
No problem. Abraham, did you get that?
Yes. Yes, I agree. I'm looking at on how to calculate the deviation.
Okay.
Yes, it's correct.
Okay.
Okay. Standard deviation in months. Dealing with that again.
First available times. Okay, so
They want it to the nearest tenth.
Yes. So when I put the information into Excel
Mm-hmm.
and did the shortcut, I got 8.2.
2.
That's exactly what I got.
Me too.
Abraham, did you get that?
I was trying to make it on in my notebook, but how to make it in Excel.
Yeah, so I just put in the 5, 19, 3, and 1 information just in that same Excel sheet. And then I did the equals STDV, or sorry, STDEV, and then parentheses, I just did the cells where I put that information in. And that's where I got my answer.
Okay. I'm doing it. So it requires number 1 and 2. Yeah, it's 9.8. And
No,
blah
it's
blah
gonna
blah.
be
We got 8.2.
8.2.
So when you put in the information in your computer, did you put 5, 19, 3, and 1?
It's the 3.
So you would just put in that information, the 5, 19, 3, and 1, or 1 and 3, whichever order you want to put it in. And then it would just be equals STDEV. And in the parentheses, it would just be those cells where you put the 5, 19, 3, and 1.
One. Then this. 8.164.
Mhm.
966.
Here, let me just share my screen so you can see what I did. So basically, here I put 5, 19, 3, and 1, just in whichever cells. And then here is where I got my answer. I just put equals STDEV. And then because the cells are in 419 through 422, I just put A 419 through 422. And that's how I got my answer of 8.16 whatever. But since we're rounding to the nearest tenth, it would be 8.2.
8.2. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
All right. Trying to understand this 5 number. So we're all up to number 11.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
Does anybody understand that? I'm trying
The
to
5
read.
number?
Yeah,
Not really.
yeah, because I'm looking at it. 6.2 on the book
Mhm.
is where it's at.
Mm,
So is it basically we're pulling out 5 numbers out of 5 random numbers out of that list?
Um,
Uh-oh, lost Abraham again.
Oh.
hmm,
Oh, there he is.
All right. You're having a hard time tonight, aren't you, Abraham?
okay. So we have to find the min, max, median, Q1 and Q3.
All right.
And then the 5 number summary would be all of those. So it'd be B1 through B5.
Okay, so what is it now? The min, max, and what?
The min, max, median, Q1 and Q3 is what it says.
All right. So first off, we're going to find the min.
Mhm.
It's on. We're doing wrong patient now, right?
Yes.
So the min is 0. And the max. And the max is 1,250,000. And then the mean. Oops. Oh, average. I put mean. It's like, what am I doing? I got 46,172. So mean, min, max, mean. So what's the Q1 and Q2 to that?
I think there might be a shortcut on there that you could just put, but I'm not sure. Let me see. What did you get for the median?
The median, I got 46,172.
And what'd you get for the max?
1,250,000.
Okay.
And the min, I got 0. So it says the second quartile is the median. So it's comprised of the minimum, the first quartile, the second quartile, then it's got the parentheses or median, the third quartile, and the maximum.
For the median, I got 18,882.
All right, how did you get that?
I just did it through the shortcut.
Yes. Oh, the median?
Yeah.
That is
So
the median that I had.
Oh, I did average, not median. That's what I missed. Yeah, now I got 18,882
Okay.
because I did average and not median.
So it's asking for first number, second number, and fourth number in the 5-number summary. Don't really know what that means. When I looked it up, the 5-number summary, that's just what it said it was.
Yeah.
Was the median, min,
So-
max, quartile 1, quartile 3.
I'm Googling what is first quartile.
Because when I put it in this 5-number summary calculator,
Mhm.
the first quartile is 3,900.
So where did you get that 5-number median summary?
It's just a calculator that it pulled up online.
Is it on
I
Excel?
don't know exactly how it is they came up with that number. I'm gonna check on Excel and see if maybe they have.
Is it on the let me take a look here. Where it says in the book there where it sends you to that Excel spreadsheet, the quantitative descriptive statistics. It's a hard word to say tonight.
Let's see.
Yeah, where did you get that so that I can learn how to do that?
Which one?
The calculator. How were you able to get that calculator?
It's just a website it pulled up. If you look up 5-number summary calculator,
Oh, okay.
and then it's called hackmath.net. Did you find it?
Yeah, I found it.
Okay, good.
All right. So what I put in there, because I've only got 3 numbers so far. I got the 0, 125, 1,250,000, and 18,882.
So I just copied and pasted that whole list of numbers that we've been using,
Gotcha.
and that's what it calculated with. So in the notes for class, it says quartile 1 is the median of the data to the left of the grand median, and quartile 3 is the median of the data to the right of the grand median.
Okay.
So
So I got the minimum, the quartile 1, I got 3,900. Median is 18,882. The quartile 3 is 50,291. Is that right?
yes.
Okay, so you got the same numbers I got. Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So basically for quartile 1 and quartile 3, we just have to divide the numbers in half, sort of. but they all have to be in order.
All
And
right.
then you take the first half and find the median of that, and that's the quartile 1 median.
Okay.
Or quartile 1. And then the second half is quartile 3. Or the median of the second half is quartile 3. Does that make sense?
Okay. Tell me again. I'm sorry.
So basically, these numbers need to be in order.
Okay.
And then once they're in order, the first half of all of those numbers,
Uh-huh.
the median of that first half is what is quartile 1.
Okay. So which is the 3,900, is that right?
Right.
Okay.
And then the second half, you would find the median of that, and that's quartile 3, which ends up being the 50,291.
Oh, so out of the three numbers we got, let me see if I can translate it to make so it makes sense. So I'm going to put these in order. So I got 0, 18, 882. And then 12503 times. So I would take the 0 and the 882 and find the median on those two. Is that right?
No. So
Okay.
out of all of the numbers on the list on the
Oh, out of all the
It's
numbers
from
on
the
the list.
data.
Okay. Okay. So
So you have to sort
so you got to
from
put them in order. I follow you
small.
now. All right. So you got to put all of those in order,
Mhm.
and then take the top half, find the median.
Right.
Then got it. All right, that makes sense now.
Okay.
Actually, there's a video that you can watch that is gonna clarify your doubts, and I
Uh-huh.
think it's the second part.
Okay.
So it explains, like, if you have 5 numbers and then you got the from 1 to 10,
Mm-hmm.
the first part is gonna be the first 5 numbers. So I think the first quartile is gonna be like 3, and then
Okay.
in the other part is gonna be, not sure, I don't remember the video.
All
But if
right.
you add 11 and one more number, it will change.
Gotcha. So basically what I need to do is all the numbers in B, I need to copy those and then put it over here like on J, put them all there, and then sort them into highest to lowest. Am I thinking the right way?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to sort those smallest to largest. Oops. Okay. Got a lot of zeros in there. And then the first half of those, so that we've got, how many do I have there? 177. So 177. So the first 88, so basically down to 89, because I got to go halfway through that.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm doing the average on those or the median on those?
The median.
The median on those. Okay. So I would do equals median. And that would be J2 through J91. So I got 3,900 then. Is that right?
Yeah.
And that's what the calculator got. Okay.
Yeah.
That makes total sense now.
Okay.
All right.
Uh-oh. I think we're losing Abraham. Here we go.
There he is. He's back. All right. So answering these questions here, give the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong lawsuit patient.
Yes.
Are we putting 0?
Yeah.
I just don't know.
So I think that's gonna be the minimum, right? So it's gonna
Yeah.
be 0.
So that would be 0. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. And then give the second number. That would be 3,900.
Yep.
But I just don't know because I don't really know if the order it gives us in this calculator is the same order. Because I mean, in another, when I was looking at it online before I got to this calculator, it was max first, then, or sorry, min first, then max, then median, then the quartiles.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know if that's really how it goes.
On a useful link, find the 5-number summary. I will try that way.
That was noisy.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I think they are super impressive and they make more noise.
Right?
Out here, at least.
Yeah, I'm impressed by them. Not really. But even though it's still, I mean, because I tried it all different ways, it's still giving me the same numbers that the calculator gave.
For what?
Let me take a look here to answer these questions here. So the 4th number in this calculator is actually 50,291. If I'm reading it right, that would be the 4th number. It would be quartile 3.
Based off of the calculations it gave you?
Yeah. Yeah. When I use the calculator that you pointed us to, the 5-number summary calculator.
Yeah.
Is minimum. Then quartile 1 is the second number. And that answers question 12. So question 13 is we're looking for the 4th number, which is quartile 3, 1,291. In my thinking, that's the answer that we put in there. Am I not looking at it the right way?
I don't know. I don't know. Because like I said, when I was looking it up on a different website, the order it had it in as far as when it calculated it was min, max, median, quartile 1, and then quartile 2.
Quartile 3, okay.
Or sorry, quartile 3, yeah.
Gotcha. All right. Let me take a look here.
That's why I don't know if the order of those matters.
Right.
If it does, then that would change the answers to all of those.
Right.
Like to do is now what I'd like to do is talk about that, just so if you find times they don't, you can say algorithms. So S or Excel, you can use either one of those if you have a big data set.
I'm taking a look at the Excel spreadsheet that the book sent us to.
Median. So
Mhm.
we have 3 of the 5 numbers here, and then we get the last, our Q1 and Q3 here at the bottom box. Now you notice here that in Q3 we have 2 different results. It's because there's 2 different algorithms that are used.
Are you listening to a tutorial?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, no worries, no worries. It's probably helping us get through that. I'm open to any help. So let's see here.
We have 3 of the 5 numbers here.
Okay, so he was saying the minimum, maximum, and then the median, and he was like, 3 of the numbers are here, and then the other 2 are quartile 1 and 3. So I'm assuming it goes min, max, median, quartile 1, quartile 3.
Okay.
I got the min, that is 0. The max is, wait,
What was that?
1,000,000 to 250,000. Yes.
So then
that is the max. Median is 18,882.
So then it's going to be min, max.
Min, max, median, quartile 1, and then quartile 3.
All right. So the second number is going to be the max. Then,
right,
with that logic, which puts it. Come on. Is 1,250,000 then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then the fourth number would be the quartile 1, which is the 3,900.
The 3,900. Okay.
Does that make sense to everyone?
No. Well, I'm lost. What's the second number?
So the order it goes in, according to what was on the tutorial, was minimum, max, median, quartile 1, and then quartile 3. So the first number would be the min, which is 0. The second number would be the max, which is the 1,250,000. And then the fourth number is quartile 1, and for that one we got the 3,900. Did you? Oh, okay, just kidding.
So
I think we lost him for a sec.
So question 11 is going to be the minimum, which is 0, right?
Question 11 is minimum, so yes, 0.
Okay. 12 is going to be the maximum.
The max, yeah.
Which is
the 1,250,000.
Okay. $150,000.
Yes. So it was the max was 1,250,000.
Okay.
All right, is everybody caught up with this?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so on question 11, oh, not 11, excuse me. Question 14, I got 650
Question
as quartile
14.
3. Question 14, I got 650.
Okay. How did you do that?
0 through 800 in that calculator, and that's what it generated out was 650.
Mhm.
Okay. I don't. Hold on a sec. I just want to look at the tutorial real quick because it explained.
This is Q1. This is Q2, the median. This is Q3, the top of the box.
Okay. So Q3
Mhm.
is actually the green part.
Oh, that's the green part?
Yeah. So the median is the little line in between the green part and the orange part.
Mhm.
The min is the space below the orange part, and the max is the space above the green part, is how it's explained in the video. So what we're trying to figure out is the green spot.
Is the green part. And that's for question 14?
Yes.
Okay.
I thought it was too easy. But because it's not quite 200 seconds.
Mhm.
I think is 109. Yeah, 90.
190 seconds?
I'm thinking 180.
5.
Yeah, probably like 180.
Okay. Yeah, because it says give an estimated number, your answer. So it's that green section. Is that what you're saying, Jocelyn?
Yep.
All right. So yeah, I could see one. I'm actually more inclined to go to 190 because it's closer. Well, it starts above 100.
We can go 190.
Okay.
Do you guys want to
It's
do
just-
that instead?
Yeah.
Does everyone agree with 190?
Sure.
Okay.
All right. And then the longest time, that would be that line going all the way up. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. So that I'm looking at 710 seconds.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. 710.
Based on the plot box, what is the mean? 5 seconds.
Yes.
All right. Any more discussion on the test? Any on this quiz?
The last one is
105.
okay.
Any questions? Any feelings that we need to look again at it?
Yeah, so I just turned mine in
Uh-huh.
and we got a couple questions wrong, so don't turn your guys's in yet.
Okay.
Okay.
So the ones we got wrong, according to mine, is question 12, 13, and this last one.
All right.
So
12.
12. Oh, that's why.
What, you
Okay.
didn't put enough zeros?
No, there was enough zeros. I think they like the commas in there though.
Oh,
So make sure to put your commas in.
okay.
Okay.
And then for question 16, I think for this one, we're going to have to put this cannot be determined.
Okay.
All right.
So those are the
try
only two that we missed?
Those are the ones we missed if everyone answered the same.
All right.
So try that. See
All
if
right.
you guys get a higher score.
So since you only have one more chance, let me go ahead and submit mine.
Did you guys get everything okay?
That's what I'm checking here.
I haven't submitted yet.
I submitted mine. We still missed number 13. Oh, that's
Number 13.
number 13.
And the other ones are okay, the 14 and 15.
Yeah, so let me take a look here.
Okay.
Okay.
So number 13 is wrong.
13
And number
is
12
wrong.
is wrong. 12 is still wrong. And 13 is wrong.
So maybe 3,900 for number 12.
I don't get why that's wrong. No. Here, let me see if I can do this again. Hold on, guys. Bear with me real quick. I just have to put in these numbers again. Because it might be that order that the calculator on the website.
That's what I'm thinking.
So let me try this one more time. 7 months, and then it was 4 for the median. And then that one was 12. This one was 36. Standard deviation. Okay. What was number 10?
Number 10 is 8.2.
8.2. That's right. So the first one was 0. The second one was
The second one, I got it here, would be 3,900.
3,900.
And then the fourth number, 50,291.
Okay, and then we said 190 for the third quartile.
Yes, 190, and that's correct.
And then 710 for the longest.
And then cannot be determined is correct.
Okay, let me try this. Sort it, yes. Okay, that was it.
Okay, so all right. So let me go back
and do
you're
that.
right.
So okay. So number 13 is
Number 13 is 50,291.
okay, got it.
All right. So the way they're wanting it is in order that it's printed out there.
Box plot.
Okay.
And what happened with 12?
Number 12 is 3,900.
Yep.
All right. So I'm redoing the quiz here. Let me put all this in. So keep yours open, Jocelyn, just in case.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna submit mine.
So number 3 is 80,041. 4.
Hang on. All right, 80,041.
Number 4 is 68,500.
552.
68,552.
Yep.
68552.
All right.
5 is 7140404.
4.
And 1404. And then question 6.
Is 7.
7.
Okay. Question 7.
Is 4.
Okay. Question 8.
Is 12.
Okay. Question 9 is 36.
6.
I remember that one. Question 10.
8.2.
8.2.
Okay. Question 11.
Is 0.
Okay. 12.
3,900.
13.
50,291.
14.
91.
14 is 190.
15.
710.
And then cannot be determined.
Correct.
All right.
Abraham, were you able to get those answers?
Yes, I just.
Great. We got 100.
Yes, we did.
Oh my gosh.
You're going to be sleeping well tonight.
Number
Right.
5, it's 71404.
What?
Let me share my screen with you. So that's number 5.
No, I mean number.
Which number?
13.
Oh, 13. That's number 13.
Okay. I missed that one. Ready?
All right. So we're going to try to do both lessons on Tuesday then?
Yes.
All
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
Lots of reading then. Yay.
Fun. It's okay,
Well,
guys. We're gonna do it, and we're gonna be done with math for the week.
Right?
It's gonna be great.
Way to be positive. Were you a cheerleader in high school? Yay.
My sister was, but I was never.
All right. Get that uploaded for us?
I just
All right.
don't know what did happen on the when my
What?
Did we lose?
will look like
Oh,
short
because
video.
yours kept going in and out. I think it's still recorded even when you left the room.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah, what you can do is I would put a note in with it that you were having problems, and so they probably will take it into consideration because you're going to get snippets of everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And even if, even if there's issues with it, we already did one meeting and we're only required to do one meeting. So this was
Good
just
point.
Okay.
All righty.
Thanks, guys.
So we're gonna do this again 5 o'clock on Tuesday.
5 o'clock Tuesday.
All right.
Yeah.
Get some sleep, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll
Have a
see
great
you
night.
All right, see
Bye bye.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.